What's going on, guys? We're here at Steve Mueller's garage. You can see the Pro XP behind me here. We got some of these 1.25 inch bungs. Some of these 1.25 inch bungs that weld to the inside of the tubing and bolt on here. We have basically right in here. We cut it already so we could pull the cage off, but these are just going to go right up in here so we can disconnect that for the bungs. But other than that, yeah, then we got some welding to do, cutting, and I'll show you around here in a minute. Alright guys, we're getting ready to tack this bung in here now. We got it in place. Like an idiot, I forgot my TIG wire, so all I did was pull the MIG wire out. See if I get this focused in or not. Anyways, I pulled the MIG wire out, the little bit that I have left in there, and the machine, and we'll just use that as our filler wire since it's a 70S wire anyways. It'll work for the small stuff. I don't think I want to roll or TIG weld a whole roll cage with it, but it'll work for the 4 welds we have, or actually 6 welds. He has a couple other little things he wants me to do, but they're all just small stuff, so but it'll work. Yeah, we'll get this tacked in here and show you guys around here inside Steve's little race compound, I guess you'd call it. All right. Alright guys, we got the pieces out now. We're going to weld them on the table so we don't have to weld them on the vehicle. It's a lot easier to weld them when you can roll it around and stuff. So. Alright guys, we got all the tubes done on the cage now for those 2 extension pieces for the A-frame. What we're going to do now, we're going to weld the misalignment spacer to the hub. That way if a bolt breaks or anything, we shouldn't be digging around in the dirt for a misalignment spacer, just in case. That should be better. Alright, we're going to weld right along the misalignment spacer right here inside the bolt. Got to make sure everything's seated in there properly and stuff, and then put a little bit of a weld in there. Hopefully we're not looking for these pieces if the bolt breaks or something for some chance out on the racetrack, out on the race course. And then but yeah, I've done it once before on mine. I just put little tacks on there just so hopefully not digging around for it. But alright guys, what's going on? We'll have to make a new outro for this, or ending. For whatever reason the last clip got all glitched out and stuff, so for the walk around and whatnot. But anyways, that's the end of the Pro XP build so far. Next time you see it, it should be all powder coated and stuff and put together. We actually have to get it done earlier now than what it originally was, because we're going to California early, we'll just say that. But look forward to some more videos. But yeah, we got about 2 weeks and it's got to be going to California now. But should be a good time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Hit the like button, help us out. Comment below on what you think we're doing in California early. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace. Alright guys, we got the high misalignment, don't say high misalignment spacer that good.